Struggling to remember things or stay focused? What if I told you there are simple habits that can supercharge your brain and boost your memory? Let's unlock the secrets to a sharper mind. Welcome back to the channel. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation increase focus, reduce stress, and improve memory by encouraging a calm, clear mind. Practice deep breathing exercises or guided meditation for 10 to 20 minutes daily. Apps like Calm or Headspace can help. Stay mentally active. Mental stimulation strengthens neural connections and improves cognitive function. Solve puzzles, play brain games like Sudoku, chess, or crossword puzzles, read challenging material, or learn new skills. Get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for memory consolidation, which happens during deep sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Maintain a regular sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine. Physical exercise. Physical activity boosts blood flow to the brain and promotes the growth of new neurons, improving memory. Engage in regular aerobic exercises such as walking, jogging, swimming, or cycling for at least 30 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week. Eat a brain-boosting diet. Certain nutrients support cognitive function and memory. Eat omega-3s, found in fatty fish like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts. Antioxidants, found in berries, dark leafy greens, and nuts. Whole grains, brown rice, oats, and quinoa for sustained energy. Avoid refined sugars and processed foods, which can impair cognitive function. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can lead to poor concentration and memory issues. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Consider drinking water-rich foods like fruits and vegetables to stay hydrated. Socialize. Social interactions stimulate cognitive function and can improve memory. Stay connected with family and friends, engage in meaningful conversations, or join social groups. Use memory techniques. Memory techniques help you retain and recall information more effectively. Do chunking. Break information into smaller, manageable parts. Example, phone numbers. Mnemonics. Use acronyms, visualizations, or rhymes to remember things. Visualization. Picture concepts or use mind maps to connect ideas visually. Manage stress. Chronic stress damages the brain's memory center, hippocampus. Practice stress relief techniques like yoga, mindfulness, or deep breathing exercises regularly. Learn new things. Learning creates new connections in the brain, improving memory and brain function. Pick up a new hobby, such as playing a musical instrument, learning a language, or taking up a new course.